everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love to shop Luxe, welcome. Every week I upload 2 new videos on designer handbags, shoes and accessories to help you decide whether or not you want that item to be part of your collection. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. Also, please follow me on Instagram at ShopLuxe and I will be linking it down below. So for today's video, we are going to do a special unboxing of this Bottega Tote. Oops. And I'm very excited to show you what I got, and because I have been constantly looking for a nice tote, and I have also considered getting the Louis Vuitton Never Full, also the Fendi tote, the Saint Laurent tote, and I don't think that I like them as much as this tote. So I will be sharing with you how I got a special deal on this as well. And I will see you later. I'll just focus the camera on the unboxing. So I was looking for a Bottega tote. I heard that Costco.com is selling it, so I checked on there. I found this same bag that I have, but in black, but the price is so high, like $2,300. So I kept on looking on other online shops, and I saw this Yoogis Closet, which I've heard from other YouTubers, and I thought that I should give it a try. And so I found the same bag that I found from Costco, and it was actually 50% less than the price. And so I just paid for it using my PayPal account, and after 2 days, it's here. I ordered this from Yoogis Closet, and the shipping is pretty fast. I ordered it on a Tuesday and I got it Friday. I was so excited when I saw it when I got home from work. It's like, ooh, the shipping is so fast. And okay, so here's the box. I don't know if you could see it, but it says Yoogis Closet. Yoogis Closet, I don't know. And here is the receipt. It says thank you for shopping at yoogiscloset.com. And here's the shipping label. This one. Okay. It is nicely packaged with bubble wraps, and here it is. And it came with a big Ziploc bag. Nicely packaged. And here is the Bottega Veneta dust bag. It's really nice and thick. It's the same texture and color as my other Bottega Veneta dust bags. And here it is. Oh my gosh, it's small and it's the perfect size I like, because I can't really carry big handbags because of my shoulder surgery, and this is just a perfect size. I love it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. And the tag is still included because I got this in new condition. The tags are still included. This used to retail, oh, doesn't say. Okay, and here is the Yoogis Closet tags. So I think you cannot take this off if you want to return it. And here are some bubble wraps. Let's take them out. This is really clean. Very clean, no scratches. It's really new. Wow. And these are the, oops, these are the care cards, I believe. Care cards, and I don't know what this is. It says Bottega Veneta made in Italy. And the care cards. Let's see the features of this bag. The overall condition of this bag is new, and the material is brown Intrecciato woven Napa leather with patent leather. This is made in Italy, and I showed you that it includes the dust bag, booklets, and tags. Here is the authenticity code. Let's look for the authenticity code. That is important. There it is. It says Bottega Veneta made in Italy, and here is the date code. It measures 12.5 inches in length and 8.75 inches in height, and the depth is 5.25 inches. And for the handles, the hardware is gunmetal. The handles are double chain link straps with patent shoulder pads. The handle drops 9.25 inches. It has an open top with magnetic snap right there. It still has sticker on it. See? It opens to a center zip pocket, one small zip pocket, and two small flat pockets. One and two. And the interior lining is suede. I like that Bottega Veneta is very squishy. It's very soft. The leather is very soft and buttery. It's less structured, but it holds its shape. So I really love this size. I love it so much. Even the color, it's so nice. The weave is really tight. It's very pretty. And it smells so good. The leather smells so good. I want to try it on. Let's look at it. So I hope you liked that video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye!